All right, we got artificial gravity here. So let's read our problem. So it says one way to create artificial gravity is in a space station is to spin it. If a cylindrical space station 275 meters in diameter is to spin about a central axis, at how many revolutions per minute must it spin so the outermost points have an acceleration equal to g? Okay, so we're looking at these points out here on the edge of this cylindrical space station. Maybe you saw the movie Interstellar and you saw that cylindrical space station they had at the end there. Same kind of idea. Instead of getting your acceleration from gravity, you can get your acceleration in a way from circular motion, because the idea is you just want the force from the ground pushing up on you to be the same in those two scenarios. So the acceleration they're talking about here is centripetal acceleration. And what they're asking you for when they say RPMs, how fast does it need to turn, they're asking you for omega. Okay, so if you're not sure what variables you're looking for, what variables they're giving you, use that variable sheet that we're putting together to kind of remind yourself of what names they have, what units they have, that kind of thing. Okay, so we know AC is equal to omega squared times R, and so we just need to go ahead and solve for our omega. So we have 9.8. Now they do tell us the diameter is 275 meters, so that means we have a radius of 137.5 meters. We'll equal omega squared, and then we just got to take the square root to get omega by itself. And our omega comes out to be 0.267 radians per second. But they want it in revolutions per minute. So let's see if we can figure that out. We got to get rid of radians and go to revolutions. So if radians is on top, get rid of it on the bottom. Seconds on the bottom. Get rid of seconds, go to minutes. There's 60 seconds in a minute. There's 2 pi radians in a revolution. Now when we do this conversion factor, always remember we need those parentheses around that 2 pi down there. Once you type that in, you should get something like 2.55 RPM. That's a pretty quick spin rate, and you have to have pretty quick spin rates in order to have this happen. So it's kind of a problem if you're going to have any significant centripetal acceleration. So there you go.